So what are you doing today?
There's the breakfast and coconut and
What did you have for breakfast?
diaper.
What'd you have?
Dash.
Huh?
It's that sugar.
Okay. What'd you have for breakfast? What'd you eat? Did you have strawberries?
Go with it. Apple. My phone.
Here you go.
I'll read the book, please.
Yeah, you want to read the book?
I'll go with it.
Are you going to read it to me? Do you need help? Good job.